How to make an edit on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually make an edit on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to make an edit on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply open up the Snapchat application here. Now let's say you've happened to basically take a snap of some kind of sort or anything as such, and after you take a snap, maybe let's say that you would like to edit it. Well, to edit it could be very simple. So first of all, let me just go ahead and mute this. Now on the right hand side you can see different sort of toolbar. You can just select any toolbar such as text. If you want to add some text, you can edit a background as well. If you tap on this option, you can choose to add some stickers such as a location, GPS, and anything that you might want to add in this case. You can also choose to add some music. You can choose to mute the volume. You can choose to search some lenses and filters that you might want to use over here. Then after that, you can also choose some AI tools such as retouch. You can add a link if you want to, and so on. Once you've done that, you can hit the send option after you've made your editing changes. This way you can go ahead and then make an edit on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.